Welcome to BBS Group of Institutions, enhancing excellence. The Beni Madhav Shiksha Samiti has been working sincerely in the field of establishing educational institute since 1983 under the chairmanship of the late Bhola Singh Ji, who was a dedicated social reformer. Presently, the responsibility of chairmanship is borne by his wife, Srimati Janki Devi Ji.
मेरी डिग्री कॉलेज के लगे BBS और BTC और B.Ed और BA 4 क्लास वहाँ को हमने 4 कॉलेज खोल लिया.
Our strength: 6 professional institutions, professional courses, UG and PG programs, 3 mega campus, 2 at Allahabad and 1 is in Greater Noida with 65 acres of land. State-of-art infrastructure, 4,500 students, books, national, international journals and magazines, 250 faculty and staff members, PhD and MTech, 2 hostels, separate for boys and girls, latest machinery and equipments in labs, 100% placement assistance, eco-friendly environment, enterprise resources planning, medical facility, banking facility, gym facility, conference room and seminar hall, auditorium. Institutions established the Samiti are Srimati Janki Devi Girls Inter College, Allahabad, 1983. Beni Madhav Singh Mahavidyalaya, Allahabad, 1999. BBS College of Engineering and Technology, Allahabad, 2002. BBS Institute of Management Studies, Greater Noida, 2006. BBS Institute of Pharmacy and Allied Science, Greater Noida, 2007. BBS Institute of Management Technology, Allahabad, 2008. BBS College of Engineering and Technology was established in the year 2002 by renowned NGO Beni Madhav Shiksha Samiti, whose chairman is Mr. R.P. Singh.
2002 के अंदर ये इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज की नींव रखी गई, जिसमें 2006 में पहले बैच में जो है 180 बच्चे इम्तिहान दिए. हमारा मोटो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन की तरफ है.
The institution has come a long way and has developed competencies in its core business, and apart from that, it has also taken a huge education initiative. Today, the education initiative of institutions stands as a conglomerate of 3 educational institutions with over 4,500 students and 250 highly educated, experienced and dedicated faculties.
बड़ी प्रसन्नता है कि शिक्षा के केंद्र इलाहाबाद में BBS इंस्टीट्यूशन टेक्निकल एजुकेशन में और मैनेजमेंट में शिक्षा संस्थान चलाने का उत्तरदायित्व लिया है और इसको ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से चला रहे हैं. मानना है कि हमारे जो जितने भी संबंधित संस्थान हैं उसमें इस संस्थान का एक बहुत विशेष महत्व है और यहाँ के जो छात्र और छात्राएं हैं उनका परीक्षाफल, यहाँ के छात्र और छात्राओं का प्लेसमेंट का रिकॉर्ड और उसके ऊपर जो इनके मानवीय गुणों का जो विकास है वो वास्तव में बहुत सराहनीय है.
The institute has state-of-the-art infrastructure and laboratories in all of its educational institutions. Today, education is given top priority, though we have a long way to go, but we are right on track. BBS Group of Institutions is the largest educational group in our times. The institute is a living embodiment of the concept of building inclusive knowledge societies in a globalized world. This will be a unique institute running varied and valuable, employable and job-oriented courses, producing seasoned scholars and competent engineers that will bring laurels to this BBS group and play a dominant role in national development for the benevolence and betterment of soliciting students. The colleges are affiliated to Gautam Buddha Technical University, Lucknow and Mahamaya Technical University, Noida, and approved by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, Ministry of Human Resource Development of India, New Delhi. BBS College of Engineering and Technology, Allahabad. College code 138. The college offers the following courses, UG programs. The courses offered are B.Tech, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, Information Technology. PG programs. The courses offered are M.Tech, Masters of Technology, MBA, Masters of Business Administration.
This college is having almost all the infrastructural facilities in the discipline mechanical, electrical, electronics, computers, IT, and as well as in the management area also.
Objective. The main objective of the institution is to provide fundamental education comparable with IIT standard. BBS Institute of Management and Technology, Allahabad, College Code 437. The college prepares the students and enlightens them to latest development in management and technical field. The college has a great opportunity for management and technical students to work with industry leaders and then know about the industry requirement. The college helps their students for this unique opportunity. The courses offered are MBA, Masters of Business Administration, BBS Institute of Pharmaceutical and Allied Science, Greater Noida, College Code 295. The institution offers courses 4 years bachelor degree in B.Pharm. One of the objectives of the institute is to conduct professional research and to provide specialized health care. BBS Institute of Management Studies, Greater Noida, established in 2006. College Code 250. India is a resource center of global manager. The institute visualizes creating qualified professional managers. Currently, the institute has put its weight on financing, marketing, and human resource management. The institute offers courses MBA, Masters of Business Administration, MCA, Masters of Computer Application. Vision: to represent multiplicity of institutions of excellence, imparting quality education in engineering and technology, science education, pharmacy, and management, leading to graduate and postgraduate, to set up institutions to provide quality education is the main aim, and to develop their all-round personality. Our mission: is to make tremendous stride of advancement, achieving success upon success, and finally become a highly laudable university, and give 100% placement to its students in national and multinational companies.
BBS College showcased the talent of their students through their project called Abhivanjana. To our former Honorable President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. During his 4-hour visit, he saw all the projects made by science, technology and management students and gave his valuable suggestions to the students for further improvement. During his speech, the student of BBS Institute took oath to be good citizen and serve the nation.
To meet and address the students and participants at the Technical Festival 2012 at the BBS College of Engineering and Technology and BBS Institute of Management, Allahabad. When I was reading about the vision of these institutions, I was happy to find it aims to enable students in their blossoming as a future elite citizens. Such nurturing of great citizens is indeed the important need. My greeting to the students, faculty members and staff. Remember friends, when you go to this campus, they are not going to ask you whether you know better mechanical engineering or better instrumentation, better electronics or chemical. They will ask you, can you design using all the disciplines, can you design a system? That is what your employment market. Your employment starts how you can bring the multiple technologies together. It's very important. Last 6 months of the course, the multiple disciplines from the multiple faculties, the design has to be brought together, and then students should be taught. Students should learn how to design a system. That's how system design, system integration, system management. Wherever you go and knock for the employment, the question is whether you can do the system design, whether you do the system integration, whether you do the system management. So get ready for that, friends. If it is not so, then the faculty has to rethink how to bring multiple disciplines.